Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is the last part of the jukebox, part 3, and we are going to decorate and also assemble an inner box for the jukebox, and that way you could send some gifts or embellishments to any swap partners or any friends, or just to gift as Valentine's, a relative, a birthday. So here it is right here. The pink is going to be the box, and then I also included some outer layers just to give it a decorative touch. And I went ahead and sewed those layers. So we're going to glue the box down with some hot glue. You can use whatever adhesive you'd like. It goes very fast, very simple. And I didn't mention this in the other two videos, is that for each video you have a new SVG file to add to your box. So be sure to look at all videos and also download all SVG files. So that's the only way you would be able to access them, is going to that video. I opted for this because this video would have been way too long. It would have been over 2 hours, and I couldn't do that to you guys. So I opted out for doing parts. So here we are. So I'm just going to assemble this while you guys watch. Here I'm putting the box together in hopes that it's going to fit. It does fit a little snug because this is the first time I'm testing it. So it is snug. I think I'm going to make it a bit smaller so it's not as tight. Next, I'm adding the layers on the box. Just a reminder that, or a tip, you would have to keep this box and anything on it as flat as possible so it could fit inside the jukebox. The box is all finished and assembled. I'm using some stickers here to decorate the box, and like I mentioned before, we have to keep this box as flat as possible. This little sign that says XOXO card, it's from another collection. I had it available for a while, since last year or the year before, so I decided to use it. I thought it was okay, you know, the heart, the gold, it was fine. So I'm trying to figure out which stickers work best, and again, we have to be minimal, so it's kind of hard. I didn't want to cover the XO and the heart there, so that's why I didn't go for the animals. Something I didn't do was add some kind of like slots here on the edge of the top of the lid in order to remove the bottom box. So I decided to use this punch, and unfortunately it didn't work because it's 2 layers of a cardstock and also some hot glue. So I did cut that out by hand. However, before you assemble this, be sure to cut those out prior if you want to add that touch to it. I was thinking of adding it to the SVG, but then it would take another day. So I decided not to. So yeah, just use a punch before you use that, and or you can use some dies if you have like a bigger die cutting machine, like a Spellbinder's cutting machine. So, or not, just use the punch. I'm adding flowers here. You could add anything you'd like. These are the embellishments that I'm adding. I may change my mind later depending on how I feel, but I'm adding flowers, and those are the ones that I created, I believe, a week ago. So we are done, you guys. I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you guys will use this file. And I'm already enjoying seeing everyone making theirs. At the end of the video, I'm gonna have some pictures of people who've already tagged me, and I'm so appreciative of that, and I love their work as well. So I'm happy to see your guys' work. So there's a closer look. I decorated, assembled, and altered everything. I love the love signed and also the hearts. Well, you guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.